first get your standard definition Freesat box, you're going to plug it in and set it up. You're basically going to be faced with a screen like this, okay? And this is the first time install, and this is basically how you're going to install the box from the point of view of scanning in the channels and things like this, okay? So the first thing is you just press OK to continue, and obviously you'll have your satellite. You have to have your satellite cable plugged in to the box before you start this, okay? And what it does is just determines your signal strength and things like this. So obviously, if you had a Sky dish already, you would have you'd have a cable run down from it and plugged into the back of the box. So you can see there it's just scanning the signal, and it's okay there now, and it's asking me to press the OK button to continue. So at this point, it's asking me for a postcode. Now, what it does is Freesat is different than free to air, but one of the differences is that it's kind of regionalised for the UK. So what most people in Ireland would be used to seeing is the Northern Irish versions of BBC. They'd be used to seeing UTV rather than ITV and things like this. So what we suggest then to people is that they just go with the default as a Northern Irish postcode, okay? So we're going to put in a Belfast one here. And how to do this when you're putting it in, it's much like your old type mobile phone where you have letters associated with the number buttons, and you can see them clearly on the actual remote. So the Northern Irish postcode that we're going to use, as we say, is a Belfast one, and it's BT11AA. So we're just going to type it in there, BT1. Sorry, you have to wait until the little underscore comes up next. You can see that there hopefully on the screen. Press it again, a BT11, and then we go A, we wait for the little underscore, and then we press it again. Okay, so at this point then we just press OK to save it, and then you have your you have a choice of TV screen size. So older type TVs would be probably 4:3, but most TVs, within a reasonable time frame would be able to handle widescreen. So you can set it at that. I mean, you can set whichever one you want. If it doesn't suit your TV, you can always adjust it in the menu system once we have this all scanned in anyway. So just press OK to continue at that point. And this is where the scan kicks off. Now the scan is reasonably quick, and especially compared to a free-to-air setup where it goes and scans every single transponder. And I've seen boxes where it can take 10 or 15 minutes, whereas you're going to see here, this scan is probably going to take 30 or 40 seconds because it's pre-programmed for a specific region, and only is programmed to scan what's available on the official Freesat channel list, okay? So what you can see here then is we're up to 88% already, and we're almost complete there. So once this scan is complete, then what will happen is the screen will just go blank, and then it'll just go straight to your live TV. So you can see there now, complete, 180 new services added. So just give it a few moments. Screen goes blank, and then you're straight into live TV. And that's basically it. How you can do a first time install of your Goodbands or Grundig Freesat standard definition Freesat box.